Scott doing here at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. We're going to take a look at a 22-foot Premier Angler. So the Angler series is their fishing layout pontoon boat. One of the coolest layouts for a fishing pontoon that I've seen. The back half of this boat, the gate opens up or closes. So while the boat's underway, you close the gate. When you get to where you're going or at the dock, you can open it up. Makes getting off and on the boat a whole lot easier, or if you're fishing, it's just one less thing in your way, which is really, really nice. This one has a 150 horsepower motor on the back, does have a tow bar, great performance on this. If you're looking to pull the kids on the tubes or skis, plenty of horsepower to do it. Let's get up inside and check out the inside. All right, so the fishing section back here in the back is done really, really well. Extra large table back here, vertical rod storage, hanging storage for other miscellaneous stuff. Very large built-in live well. This live well is about 1.5 feet deep, runs from here all the way to the other side. Lift out bait well, and it's just done really, really well. Comfortable fishing seats. You can also move your table back here if you want to. These seats are also fully removable, so if you want to just take them off and not have them back here, you got a great area back here on the back, like a beach for the kids to jump off the back of the boat. L bench seat in front of that. Like all of the other Premiers, elevated helm's actually standard on this boat, and because it has such a large middle log, the weight capacity of this boat is a lot bigger than it is and higher than it is in some of the other boats. So this boat's actually rated for 15 people, or a little over 2,100 pounds, which is fantastic for a 21-foot or 22-foot pontoon boat. In-floor ski locker, lights inside, wraparound seating, bolstered seating. It's just a really comfortable boat, and the performance is fantastic for a boat with a 150 horsepower motor on the back of it. So if you have any questions about this or any of the boats you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.